Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best air compressors that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, contractor, or just looking for a reliable tool for your home projects, we've got something for everyone here. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the BOSTITCH Portable Ultra Quiet Air Compressor. This compact 4-gallon unit is perfect for small home projects and garage applications. With a 0.5 HP motor, it provides a maximum pressure of 110 psi and decent airflow rates of 0.6 SCFM at 90 psi and 1.0 SCFM at 40 psi. These specs make it ideal for tasks like inflating tires, spray painting, and woodwork nailing. Its ultra-quiet operation is a standout feature, ensuring minimal noise disturbance even in residential environments. The design is lightweight at just 18.74 pounds, making it portable and easy to store. The sturdy casing and stable base ensure durability during operation, while the built-in overpressure protection adds a layer of safety. However, unlike the other options on this list, it requires regular oil maintenance to keep the unit running smoothly. This makes it slightly less convenient for those seeking a completely maintenance-free option. Overall, the BOSTITCH air compressor is a good choice for beginner-level users who need a reliable, budget-friendly tool for light-duty projects. While it won't compete with higher-capacity models, its performance, portability, and ultra-quiet operation make it a solid pick for smaller tasks. Pros: affordable, quiet operation, lightweight design. Cons: limited capacity, requires oil maintenance. At number 4, we have the DEWALT Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor, an excellent budget option for those who prioritize portability and convenience. This unit is specifically designed for high-pressure inflation tasks and offers 3 power source options: a 20V max battery, 12V DC, or 110V AC. Its lightweight design, 6.39 pounds, and compact dimensions make it perfect for on-the-go use, whether you're inflating car tires, sports equipment, or air mattresses. The automatic shutoff feature ensures precision, preventing overinflation, while the onboard accessory storage keeps everything organized. Build quality is top-notch, as expected from DEWALT, with heavy-duty rubber feet to reduce walking during use. The threaded chuck provides a secure connection for inflation valves, and the integrated LED light is a thoughtful touch for night or low-light scenarios. However, it's worth noting that this unit is best suited for inflation tasks rather than air tool operation, due to its limited capacity and maximum pressure of 160 psi. Overall, the DEWALT Tire Inflator is an ideal choice for consumers seeking a highly portable and versatile air compressor for light-duty applications. Pros: affordable, portable, automatic shutoff, LED light. Cons: limited to inflation tasks, not suitable for heavy-duty air tools. Coming in at number 3, we have the BOSTITCH Air Compressor Kit. This 6-gallon Pancake-style compressor is a highly versatile tool that combines portability with performance. Its oil-free design eliminates the need for regular maintenance, which is a major convenience for busy users. With a maximum pressure of 150 psi, it delivers reliable performance for tasks like nailing, drilling, airbrushing, and spraying. The kit includes a 50-foot rubber PVC blend air hose and a 10-piece inflation and blowgun accessory kit, making it a complete solution for most air compressor needs right out of the box. The build quality is solid, featuring a lightweight design at 29 pounds and a narrow tank diameter for easy carrying and storage. The operational noise level is rated at 80 dB, which is reasonable but slightly louder compared to some competitors. The dual couplers and high flow regulator maximize air tool performance, making it suitable for both professional and home usage. However, at $179, it's priced on the higher side, and its noise level might be a concern for those working in quieter environments. Overall, the BOSTITCH Air Compressor Kit offers a great balance of portability, performance, and included accessories. Pros: oil-free design, lightweight, includes accessories. Cons: slightly louder operation, higher price point. At number 2, we have the EcoMax air compressor, a premium option that delivers high efficiency and versatility. With a 1.5-pound HP motor and a maximum PSI of 150, this 6-gallon Pancake-style unit is designed for extended tool usage and quick recovery times. The included 10-piece accessory kit adds significant value, making it ready for a wide array of applications, from tire inflation to spray painting and stapling. Its dual gauges allow for precise pressure measurements, while dual quick couplers enable simultaneous use for added convenience. Build quality is robust, featuring a convenient flip-up handle for portability and an oil-free pump for reduced maintenance costs. Despite its powerful motor, the noise level is rated at a reasonable 75 dB, making it suitable for both home and professional environments. At 33.7 pounds, it's slightly heavier than similar models, but the compact design compensates for this in terms of storage and transportation. The EcoMax air compressor is an excellent choice for users who need a versatile and reliable tool that can handle both light and heavy-duty tasks. Pros: high efficiency, versatile accessory kit, low noise level. Cons: heavier than competitors, higher price tag. Finally, at number 1, we have the DEWALT Pancake air compressor, a top-tier product that combines exceptional performance with user-friendly features. With a maximum pressure of 165 psi and a 6-gallon tank, this compressor offers extended runtime and quick recovery, making it ideal for a wide range of tasks, including nailing, drilling, and spray painting. The oil-free pump ensures maintenance-free operation, while the high-efficiency motor is designed for easy startups, even in cold weather or with long extension cords. The build quality is impressive, with a 30-pound weight for easy portability and a console cover that protects controls while allowing for quick repairs. Noise levels are kept at a comfortable 78.5 dB, making it suitable for quieter work environments. The dual universal couplers support 2 users simultaneously, and a ball drain valve ensures quick and thorough tank draining. At $159, it provides excellent value for its feature set and performance. The DEWALT Pancake air compressor is perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts who need a reliable, high-performing tool for various applications. Pros: high PSI, oil-free maintenance, dual couplers. Cons: slightly heavier than some Pancake models. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.